Hey, fellas, am I lying? Am I lying? You know what else is bad? Your attitude, your underwear, your feet.
Swear I bought a fist full of gear this year.
Rick the Don.
Rick, this is Donald Trump Jr.
Hey, Rick the Don.
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 See you at the top, Rick the Don. Salute.
Hey, yo, you know who it is. And I'm here with a public service announcement. The Baddie era is over. It's over. Drop some heat on him. The Don won lying. Drop some heat. The Baddie era is... Drop some heat on him. The Baddie era is over. We don't want a baddie. You know what inspired this video? I was scrolling through my IG and I saw a picture of Felicia. What's her name? Felicia Rashad? The wife of Bill Cosby on the Cosby Show. And they showed me a picture of her back in 1970. And she looked amazing. She had the baby hairs and everything before everybody else did. And I said, man, now that's what I want. I want a goodie. I'm tired of baddies. I'm tired of them. Y'all stink. Y'all eyelashes is too long. I hate y'all. Y'all know how to fight. A woman shouldn't even know how to fight. I want a goodie. Drop some heat on them. The Don one line. Hey, listen here. The Baddie era is over. Don't nobody want no smelly, long lash, bad wear hair. I'm tired of all y'all. Y'all can have yourself. We want a goodie. Straight facts. If you got a double horn picture somewhere on your profile or in your little reel or grid, get lost. Go to hell. Literally go to hell. Okay? We don't want baddies no more. We don't want them. Y'all can have them. We don't need them. Know how to fight? Got black knuckles. Feet all like these. Feet like these. Because when you punching, you're clenching your toes. And you fight so damn much that your toes is permanently like this. Good girl gone bad. I want a bad girl that went good. Like Megan Good. Megan Good. Megan Good. Baddie. Megan Good. Baddie. The fuck? Hey, listen. We don't want baddies no more, ladies. We want soft girl. We want goodies. We want... Drop some heat. I'm dropping heat. The Don one lying. Hey, fellas, am I lying? Am I lying? You know what else is bad? Your attitude, your underwear, your feet, your lashes, your skin, everything. I don't want a baddie no more. Can we? I'm done with the baddie era. I want a goodie. I want a chick who got a halo on top of her head. Drop some heat. Hey, go ahead. You're gonna be a dinosaur. You're gonna be a thing of the past because your main man Rick the Don is ushering in a new era. The Goodie Era. Drop some heat on the haters. I know they mad when I say that. Hey, because I'm becoming a worldwide sex symbol. Hey, if you a baddie, don't come up to me. I don't want nothing to do with you. House probably dirty. A goodie got good. Let me tell you the difference. A goodie, you know, her house smell like lavender and flowers. A baddie got a damn air mattress. A goodie, she don't have no hoe era. Is that what they call them? She ain't never had no slut era. What is that? What is that? I had an era where I let everybody sleep with. Baddies, no. Nope. I'm out. Goodies. That's what it is, man. Goodies. That's what it is. Drop some heat on them, Rick. Drop some heat on them. That's what it is, dog. Who wants a baddie? Yuck. Seriously? Have you seen the toilet of a baddie before? Ew. Hey, shout out to all the good girls out there, man. Shout out to all the good girls. Like Felicia, not but Hey, what kind of day you want to have? You want to have a bad day? Or do you want to have a good day? Oh, you want to have a good day. Okay. All right. Hey, oh, snap. When you get paid, whether you're a boss or a worker, you want a bad check or you want a good check? You want a good check. Okay. Say okay. Hey, Rick, what you want? A bad girl or a good girl? I want a good girl. Drop some heat. Baddie era is over. I said it. I called it. Facts.